Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about framework, LWC, Apex class trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to retrieve list of opportunity records, usage of wrapper class in LWC. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. So in this scenario, there are three type of steps. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So in the step number one, first we will be create Lightning app. Here I created custom app. There is a Lightning app name. In the Lightning app, I will be call my LWC component. So call the Lightning application. So friends, if I calling the LWC component into the custom app, first go to the gear icon. In the gear icon, there is a edit page. Click on the edit page. Here I will call my LWC component to the Salesforce. So friends, in the step 3, I will call LWC component in the edit page section. Then save and refresh the page. Now, let me go on the Salesforce or where will we see live demo scenario. So friends, here I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. My component name is LWC Wrapper class HTML. So this is the LWC component. Here you can see first I created a table. This is a table of head. So here I will be display opportunity record. So this is the name of the field of opportunity, name, stage name, lead source, type and description. So these are the field of the opportunity. In the second table of body, here I am using template. In the template, I am using for each loop. So based on the for each loop, I will be display one by one all of the record of opportunity. The record value will be name, stage name, lead source, type and description. Now let me go on the JavaScript file. In the JavaScript file, first I import the method. So this is the name of the controller. This is the name of the method. So friends, here I am fetching the list of opportunity record using the wire decorator. So here you can see in the import method, I am using wire. So if you using that wire, you must import the decorator of wire. If you using that API decorator, so if you using the decorator variable, first you need to import here, then you can call here. Otherwise, it will be throw error. So here I will be display list of opportunity record based on the wire decorator. So here I am using wire. This is the name of the method. This is the adapter that is called into the HTML file. If you checking the HTML file, here I am passing the OPP data. Data coming from a class controller. It is a store on the OPP data. And here you can see this is a adapter that is calling into the HTML file here. Now let me go on the meta.xml file. So in the meta.xml file, I using app page, record page, and home page. That means this LWC component will be displayed on this page. Now let me go on the Apex class controller. So in the Apex class controller, this is the name of the controller. This is the name of the method. So my method name is fetch data. So if I checking here, you will be get fetch data. This is the name of the method. So friends, here I am fetching the list of record of opportunity through wrapper class. So first, here you can see I created wrapper class. This is a list of wrapper class. So this is a wrapper class. I created a constructor. So this is a constructor of wrapper class. In the constructor, I am using a string type variable name, stage name, description, and lead source and type. So first I define constructor of wrapper class. This wrapper class I am using as a list here. Then I am writing a SQL query for the opportunity, and here I am fetching the list of record. You can see this is the name of the field from opportunity, and if you check on the for each bracket, here I am using one by one all of the wrapper class field, and this is the name of the opportunity field. So this is a wrapper class field name, stage name. This is a wrapper class, and this is the opp.name. That means opp.field name. This one. After that, and one by one, all of the fields I calling here, and after for loop, I am returning list of the wrapper class data. So friends, now let me go on the Salesforce code where we will be see how to fetch the data through wrapper class. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. Here I will be display list of opportunity record through wrapper class. So first go to the gear icon, edit the page, and here I will be called LWC component. So first I will be search my LWC component. You can see my LWC component name is LWC wrapper class. So go on the Salesforce search box in the edit section. Here I will be search my LWC component. So my component name is LWC wrapper class. So here I am searching LWC wrapper class. This is my component name LWC wrapper class. Simply select and drag and drop here and save. Go back. Here you can see list of opportunity record display, and here I am fetching data through wrapper class in LWC component. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability, date and time. Thank you.